We sing and play all day long in the forest where we belong. 5 little birds went out to play over the waves and far away. The the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the jungle town. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a dime. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Birds do not know how to fly at first, but that is okay. A bird has wings which help it to fly.
Birds' wings have feathers and strong muscles attached to them. With the help of their strong arm and chest muscles, birds flap their wings and fly.
The bodies of birds are very light, which help them to fly easily. This is because the bones of birds are thin, light, and hollow.
The shape of a bird's body is like an airplane. This shape helps the bird to fly.
In order to turn while flying, a bird uses its tail. To stop, the bird spreads out its wings and stretches its feet.
La la la, where could you be? Here I am, you found me. Let's play hide and seek now. Ready or not, here I come. Happy little quokkas playing in the sun. Hide and seek in the jungle, having so much fun.
Let's play hide and seek now.
Who's hiding? Come out, wherever you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Building blocks up high, then we all sing and try to follow the leader through the jungle fun. In the jungle bright and green, we're the happiest friends you've ever seen. Come and sing along with us today. Birds all sing a happy tune. We dance and play beneath the sun.